10 little-known Google Ads facts. Google Ads allows you to target users based on their search history and online behavior. This is known as customer match and interest categories, allowing you to reach users who are more likely to be interested in your products or services. Google Ads offers a feature called responsive search ads, which allows you to create multiple versions of an ad and automatically test them to see which one performs best. This can help you optimize your ad campaign for maximum effectiveness. You can use Google Ads to target users who are in the process of making a purchase decision. This is known as in-market targeting, and it allows you to show your ads to users actively searching for products or services similar to yours. Google Ads offers a feature called Smart Bidding, which uses machine learning to adjust your bid amount in real time based on the likelihood that a user will take the desired action, such as clicking on your ad or making a purchase. Google Ads allows you to set specific goals for your ad campaign, such as increasing website traffic, generating leads, or making sales. This can help you measure the success of your ad campaign and make adjustments as needed. You can use Google Ads to target users based on their device type. This is known as device targeting, allowing you to show your ads to users using a particular device, such as a desktop computer or a smartphone. You can use Google Ads to target users based on their location. This is known as geo-targeting, allowing you to show your ads to users located in a specific geographic area. Google Ads allows you to set specific times for your ads to be shown. This is known as day parting, and it allows you to show your ads only during certain times of the day or days of the week. Google Ads offers a feature called ad scheduling, which allows you to set specific budgets for each day of the week. This can help you manage your ad spend and ensure that your budget is being used effectively. You can use Google Ads to target users based on their language preferences. This is known as language targeting, and it allows you to show your ads to users who prefer a specific language.